Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. This vehicle, this is what the seats do look like. Also, the AT4X logo is on the back of the seat. You have suede up on the top here. Also, you have universal home remote for your garage door opener, and then your sunroof buttons, and then your power sliding rear window buttons right in the middle here. That is what the sunroof looks like. Also down here is your infotainment center, which will stay in demo mode here, but you have Google Assistant, you have the Google Play Store, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay, which is wireless now. Also, you have different camera views you can look at. So you can look at the front, the sides, the hitch view. Also, you do have Google Maps now. So that's what the Google Map will look like. It looks like the app basically that if you have it on your phone already, it basically looks like that, just on like a tablet. And then down here you have your lane keep assist, your front and rear park assist, auto stop start. You can turn all three of those on or off. You have your tailgate opener, hazards, traction control, hill assist. Also, you do have heated and cooled front seats. For buttons for that are right here. Your shifters right here, and then your trailer brake controllers right there. You do have wireless charging back here, so it's just like a little cubby that will put your phone in it. Also over here, you do have a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, and then your buttons to change the screen up here. And then you do have your four-wheel drive buttons all right here, and then your tow haul mode you can turn on there. Also, if you go this way, you have off-road mode and terrain mode and normal. And then you do have your lights, and then heads-up display is right here. Can't really see it that well, but you can change what type of things you want up there also. This vehicle does have the driver memory right here, the buttons for that. Then it has the AT4X logo on the side of the door. Also, it does have the Bose sound system. If we take a look on the outside, it is volcanic red tint coat. It does have passive entry on the front doors. What that is if you have your key fob with you, you can lock and unlock the vehicle by pressing the silver button on the door handle if you have the key fob with you. If you do not have the key fob, it will not work. This vehicle does have the 6.2 liter V8. It does have the MultiPro tailgate. We will get to that in a few minutes. This is what the MultiPro tailgate looks like. I can open it with my key fob also if you hit this button twice, and then all you do is push the top button on the tailgate, and then it will go down here, and then you just push that down, and then it adds a little step to get into the bed of the truck a little easier. If we take a look in the back seat, this is what the back seat looks like. It does have that red stitching also, like the front seat does. Also, you do have a little cargo space in the back of the seats. The seats do fold up that way, and then you do have a little cubby space too underneath the seat. Over here, you do have heated second row seating, and then the USB ports. And then this is what floor mats they have on this truck. It is weather mats, and then there is this carpet insert, which you can pull out also by the tabs. That is all I have on the Sierra AT4X. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.